Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily fix DNS server not responding error on Windows 10, 8 and 7. So let's get started. So first of all, you will see that this error name not resolved is coming. So how you need to fix this? So first of all, what you need to do is now right click on this icon and go to open network and sharing center, and this window will appear in front of you. I will enlarge this window. Just wait for a second. Yeah, so you see my Wi-Fi is connected, Wi-Fi Assure. Here you see, let me show you. Wait, here you see it is connected. So what we need to do is go to change adapter setting and then right click on it, Wi-Fi, and click on properties. So here you have a bunch of options. Here just go to Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties, and here you see it is checked. Now check on the second option. Use the following DNS server address and write down 8888 in the preferred DNS server, and in the alternate DNS server you have to type 8844. Sorry, let me correct it. And after making these changes, just click on OK and click on close. And now we will move back to the window, Chrome window, and now we click on reload, and it will take a moment. And here you see it's working, and Google Chrome is working now perfectly fine. So I hope that this short tutorial will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.